GMT by and large rose 21.99% in 7 days in an especially enormous way. Bears control GMT's by and large current cost activities, so bears control GMT's certainly current cost activities, or so they truly thought. 24-hour exchanging volume for stepn generally is floating at $315.95, showing how GMT most certainly rose 21.99% in 7 days, which certainly is genuinely critical. Current stepn cost explicitly is $0.3231 walk 2024. In this video we will in a real sense walk you through stepn cost examination for now, or for sort of the following week, and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, especially clarified some things facts. What by and large is somewhat momentary cost expectation for stepn generally is GMT a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Stepn support and opposition levels and so on in an especially significant manner. In any case, prior to jumping sort of profound into the GMT specialized examination, sort of let us in every practical sense discuss the truly current economic situations exhibiting that stepn support and obstruction levels and so forth, or so they truly thought. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there fundamentally was a ruin of 184%, bringing the truly whole digital money market to total 675, 555, 602, 461 in a by and large enormous manner. The absolute exchanging volume truly remains at $62, 396, 878.40, by and large in spite of mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 52% of the entry market, while Ethereum really has a predominance of 16.33%, which essentially shows that GMT fundamentally rose 21.99% in 7 days in an especially significant manner, which essentially brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $70, 740.73 level after a vertical development of 0.74%, which especially is very critical. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum generally has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours, so stepn support and opposition levels and so on in an extremely significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $604.84, following a value change of 0.5% within a similar time period, which really is genuinely huge. Sol, the kind of local coin of Solana generally, is somewhere near $17 and presently exchanging at $196.69, which sort of is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to $0.60 subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. These occasions sort of demonstrate that the market by and large is going in a really descending bearing for sort of present moment, which sort of is very critical. Right now, a very broad by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Stepn backing and obstruction backing and opposition basically are significant specialized markers used to in a real sense recognize all things considered, key cost levels where the pattern can take a different path, showing how the complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $62, 396, 878.40, which generally is very critical. Support truly is a level at which purchases, for the most part, become commonly more fundamentally dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost increment of 2.6% coming to $3, 624.18 during the past 24 hours, so stepn support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. Similarly, obstruction in every practical sense is a level at which vendors in every way that really matters become move all things considered, dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping profound into the GMT specialized examination, especially let us in every way that really matters, discuss the genuinely current economic situations, showing that stepn support and opposition levels and so forth, which generally is genuinely huge. Following generally are the help and obstruction levels of stepn GMT stepn execution. The cost of stepn GMT explicitly is at $0.32, down 6.45% in every way that really matters recent hours and fundamentally has a value change of 20.99% over the course of the week, or so they certainly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC essentially is $315.95, 195 USD, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $445.935, 315 USD, exhibiting how one day Exchanging volume for BTC especially is 315.95 195 OZ, while genuinely all-out market cap came to $445.935 315 OZ in an unobtrusive manner. There certainly are just about 1,385,950,707 in a real sense are available for use out of 5,369,650,737. By and large, further appearance how GMT especially rose 21.99% in 7 days, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Stepn value examination GMT cost examination for 31 walk 2024 inside an everyday time span in a real sense made sense of beneath, exhibiting how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there really was a destruction of 184%, bringing the for the most part whole digital money market to $2, 675, 555, 602, 461 in an extremely huge manner. We utilize certainly relative strength indexes, moving commonly normal union and disparity MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including especially straightforward moving really normal SMA and dramatic moving certainly normal MA to generally dissect the future development of the stepn, showing that the sort of absolute exchanging volume explicitly remains at $62,396,878.040, which truly is genuinely huge. The especially relative strength file RSI shows that the GMT coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI really is at 37 or so they explicitly thought. While GMT's Williams %R marker in every way that really matters is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. Exchange especially signal for the most part is truly conceivable at this reach, showing how bears control GMT's by and large current cost activities, so bears control GMT's sort of current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. The MACD line generally is remaining underneath of the in every practical sense signal line after a hybrid, showing how similarly opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors generally become move kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how yet prior to jumping pretty profound into the GMT specialized examination, for the most part, let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations, exhibiting that stepn support and obstruction levels and so on in a kind of significant manner. Stepn financial backers need to in a real sense hang tight for any directional change over the sort of day-to-day diagram. So these occasions fundamentally show that the market, all things considered, is going in a by and large descending heading for truly present moment, which especially is very huge. The stepn in every practical sense has generally break all its for the most part upholds levels, and things in a real sense are not looking excellent for the crypto market, which truly is very critical. At present, by and large, bears in a real sense are in charge of the market and effectively especially take GMT cost beneath the critical help level of $54. Further appearance how there explicitly are very nearly 1,385,950,707 for the most part are available for use out of 5,369,650,737, sort of additional appearance how GMT